cracked or wore out your key fob case? Just replace the case with this convenient, affordable keyless entry transmitter cover, restoring the look and functionality. SmartFix. This keyless remote case allows you to simply replace a cracked or worn case. Convenient repair. Makes restoring a worn-out key fob easier by just replacing the cover. Seamless fit. Matches dimensions of original transmitter cover for a tight seal. Trustworthy protection. Keeps moisture and debris out of internal electronics. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and works great. I have no dislikes about this product. It does everything I needed to do. Perfect factory replacement. Great price and works as if it was straight from the factory. Super simple to swap out. Just open your existing case like if you were replacing the battery, then just switch the guts over to the new one and done.